Okay, welcome to American Dream Garage. They all say a clean garage is a happy garage. So in our addition we did, and this may on camera may look clean, but water stains, dirt stains, tire marks from driving cars in and out. It doesn't take very long. I think I cleaned this floor maybe at most a week ago, and you know, it's already dirty again. So you got to have a way to clean it, and of course you can mop, or this is a device that I purchased, which we'll show you how it works here in a second, but basically scrubs and then vacuums the dirty water up from a squeegee and leaves a dry floor behind. So we'll show you how it works. So it's got its own tank of scrub water, and the brushes scrub in front, and then the back it sucks the. You can see the water coming off of that, but then by the time it's done, it's dry behind it, which is kind of amazing. And it's very maneuverable, and you can slow it down if you want to scrub a spot. Stop it, scrub some more, and then speed it back up. Granted, this may be a little bit of overkill, but I'll tell you what, it makes for quick work. 10-minute, you know, an hour and a half job, which leaks, you know, mops leave streaks, can be done in 10 or 15 minutes. So I think it's worth the investment. So I think it took me about 8 minutes to do this entire floor. As you can see, it's bone dry, and those marks that were here, the water marks and the tire marks, are all gone. So again, it's just a nice addition if you have a lot of floor space. I also use it over there, which is not epoxy, but I use it to clean up even with small little spills, because it basically has a degreaser in it. So thanks for coming along today.